So this is my Soyabella soy milk maker. I'm going to be using it today to make soy milk. I've already soaked some soybeans overnight. I'm going to use these today. So first, you need to put the soaked soybeans into here. Some people like to remove the skin of the soybeans when they soak because they come off really easily. You just squeeze them and they come out. But I don't personally do that. I think it takes too much time to remove them all. So I don't mind them. Okay. I have a little bit more than that line, but that's okay. It's gonna be hard to put this on because I have too much over there. But that's fine. Let's see. Okay. And it's closed. And then I have to put water in the pitcher first. And then I put this on. And on here there are three buttons. One is pause and off. The other is mill, which you can use for grinding coffee, or I sometimes use it to grind rolled oats to make oat flour. And the other button says milk. That's the one we'll be using for soy milk. So I'm just going to click. And the light stops blinking. The red light here. That means the machine is working. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes. And then our soy milk will be ready. Okay, soy milk is ready. It makes a loud beep once it's ready, and that's how you know it's done. So I disconnected the cord. And be careful, it's hot. You're just gonna pull this up. And let it drain for a few seconds. And then I'm just going to put it in here. And there you go, fresh soy milk. I'm going to be using this to make tofu, but if you're going to just drink it as soy milk, you can add a dash of salt and a little bit of vanilla extract. So it would be yummy soy milk.